And staying with news of elections, and we're talking about the state of Tamil Nadu because there is an interesting development here. Sources are claiming that BJP has inquired about including Sasikala and TTV Dinakaran in the alliance. BJP feels that Sasikala can sway her Thewar community voters into the alliance's fold. Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy is yet to take a call on this rapprochement. Meanwhile, seat-sharing talks continue to drag between AIADMK and the BJP even after a 3-hour-long meeting in the presence of Home Minister Amit Shah. Sources say that BJP was seeking 33 seats while AIADMK was only ready to give them 21 seats. AIADMK says it has provided PMK, a party with larger presence than BJP, only 23 seats. So how can 33 seats then be given to the BJP? Leaders within AIADMK claim that it would turn out to be an issue if more seats were provided to the BJP than PMK. So essentially, the task before the AIADMK is also to keep its alliance partner PMK happy, given the fact that it's given 23 seats, but BJP is demanding 33. AIADMK is ready to spare only 21 seats for the BJP, given the fact that the party has little presence in the state of Tamil Nadu, unlike the PMK, which has got a wider acceptability across the state. My colleague Pramod Madhav is getting us more details on that. BJP, Pramod, by virtue of it being a national party and being the party that is leading the government at the centre, is bargaining hard with the AIADMK. But herein there is a challenge to keep PMK also happy. They will be hugely upset if the AIADMK was to allow BJP 33 seats, isn't it?
Absolutely, and the bigger question here is that for now BJP had it very clear that this is the time BJP can get a foothold in Tamil Nadu, and that's the reason negotiation talks is of twofold. Sasikala being only the last part of it, but the first one is about the seats and the constituencies where AIADMK can get a sure win shot. This is actually being discussed, and this is also causing a little bit of trouble for the Chief Minister because he has to go ahead, take this candidate list and actually discuss about this with his own party men who have already spent a lot of time and energy in that pot to make sure that AIADMK would win. So that is becoming a huge headache for the Chief Minister. But for now, only outside the BJP and AIADMK are claiming that the talks are still smooth and it will conclude within 1 or 2 days. Yes, Sasikala has also been discussed on it because she, BJP very clearly believes that can still sway a large amount of vote of the Thewar community. And the final part is that if the Chief Minister provides more seats to BJP than PMK, that will also become a very big issue because imagine back in January, PMK caused a lot of ruckus and later only after getting assurance and a bill and finally the assent of the governor claiming that the Patali Makkal Katchi and that particular community called as Baniyar community gets 10.5% internal reservation, only then they accepted the talks and the seat sharing.
All right, Pramod, thanks for getting us those details. Pramod, with that story as far as the seat-sharing talks between the BJP and the AIADMK is concerned, the BJP inquired about Sasikala and TTV Dinakaran coming back to the alliance.